So friends, welcome to our channel. If you are facing check your account Alienware command center is currently not available in your account, this error problem. So watch this video till end because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming and what is solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end and follow the steps. So watch this video carefully till the end and do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Make sure Microsoft Store is logged in. AWCC requires the store even if you installed it from Dell. Open Microsoft Store, top right, then sign in. Use any Microsoft account, same one used for Windows is best. Close the store. Then try opening AWCC again and reset Microsoft Store cache. This fixes the error for a lot of people. First, press Win plus R, type wsreset.exe, press enter, wait, store will open automatically. Reboot, then try AWCC and reinstall AWCC via Dell, not the store. Do not install Alienware Command Center directly from Microsoft Store. Uninstall Alienware Command Center, reboot, download AWCC from Dell support for your exact Alienware model. Install, then reboot, then open AWCC. The store will be used in the background, that's normal. And check Windows services, this one's sneaky. Press Win plus R, then services.msc. Make sure these are running and automatic. Microsoft Store install service, Windows License Manager service, Client License service. Restart them if needed and reboot. I hope guys these steps will fix your problem. Do like this video.